What is it?
Bring it over here, Connor.
What's in there?
It must be an M&M one.
M&M.
Oh,
I have ones with money in it too, though. Okay, look for more.
it's on the recorder.
Well, I don't want him to eat them.
Where else?
More.
Oh, Connor. Oh.
What's in there?
Oh.
What's in there?
More M&M's.
Ooh, put it in here. Go look for some more. Go look for more. Okay, go look for more. There's more. You see more?
Wow.
Yay!
What's in there? Open it.